guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be packing because I leave for California in, I think it's like 4 or 5 days, but who's counting? So the point of this video is to do a what's in my checked luggage. What is in my luggage? I see lots of YouTubers making those videos, especially when they travel a lot, and not that I travel all that much, but I would like to. So he's very sad that we are leaving. Look how sad he is. He's like, can I come? Can I come? Right, so first things first. I have to go downstairs and get my suitcase. Ooh. That was very pleasant. All right, now that I have my suitcase, woo! Time to start packing. My suitcase still has the old tag on it from when I traveled like 3 years ago. Delta. Take that tag off. And this is my suitcase. It's very big. Oh, I have hangers in my suitcase apparently from when I moved. Alright, now that I have cleaned out my suitcase from all the hangers that I didn't even remember were in there, now it's time to go through my clothes and decide which clothes I'm going to bring with me to California. Alright, so basically I've picked out some clothes here. And let's start with this side. So this here is just a zip up sweater, just super simple, just to slip on if it gets cold. These are like short sleeved or tank tops, and then there's one like long sleeve super light shirt in there. This is the shirt that I'm gonna wear to the airport because it's comfy. This is just like a white dress in case I want to wear a dress. I have here like 2 pairs of short shorts. This is like my pajama shorts and pajama tops here. And these are my pants. So I have like soft pants, tights, and jeans. And I put my underwear in like a Ziploc bag, and then I'm gonna bring a pair of socks because you never know, a sports bra, the Calvin Klein, and a couple bras, and then I have my bathing suit top and my bathing suit bottoms there, just because I think it's gonna be nice enough, and we have a pool we can swim in. And then over here I have like my jean jacket that I'm gonna bring just in case I get chilly like at night. And then I have a couple pieces that were like maybes over here, but they're gonna stay there because they're maybes. And I heard that it's gonna be pretty nice when we go. It's gonna be like 20 degrees, even though people who live in California don't think that it's nice and they think it's like sweater weather. But if you live here in Canada where it is snowing outside right now, you'll probably think that it's nice out. So that's why I think that I'll bring a bathing suit and some shorts, a dress, tank tops. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to pack my pants there. And I don't know, throw the rest of this stuff in there. I don't really have like a strategic way of putting stuff. I just put stuff in there as so, and then in the top part there I'll put like my makeup, my liquids, like hair stuff down there. Makes sense, makes sense. Alright, now I have my suitcase packed. Shirts here, dress, and a couple other things down there. My bras and underwear, and my pants down here, and my pajamas there. And then I'm probably just gonna toss that on top somewhere for now until I leave. And then before I go, I'm just gonna put my makeup up here and toiletries and stuff in these pockets there, but I'm not gonna pack those yet because I am still gonna be here for a couple more days. And yeah, that is my what is in my suitcase vlog, I guess. It's not as professional as like other YouTubers make their what's in my suitcase vlogs or whatever videos, but it is what it is. So yeah, and keep watching because I'm gonna make a couple more videos probably before I go and while I'm on my trip, so keep watching. Bye.